When it comes to typing Python code, you have two options. You can use a code editor or an IDE, which is short for Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is basically a code editor with some fancy features like auto-completion, which means as you type code. This feature helps you complete your code, so you don't have to type every character by hand. It's a productivity boosting feature. It also gives you additional features like debugging, which means finding and fixing bugs in your programs, testing, and so on. For both code editors and IDEs, there are so many options out there. The most popular code editors are VS Code, Atom, and Sublime. You can use the code editor that you prefer. In terms of the IDEs, again, there are so many options out there. The most popular one is PyCharm. I'm also going to use the VS Code or Visual Studio Code because that's my favorite code editor. So before going any further, head over to code.visualstudio.com and download the latest version of VS Code. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to like this video if you found some value in it. And do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll catch you in the next video.